The eyes are the window to the soul, and your patient's soul should be allowed to truly shine. Learn the latest techniques and procedures at the Master Eyes Injection Training by a board-certified physician faculty member. Learn to effectively treat patients' eyes and provide the aesthetic results they desire with injectables that provide tightening, volume, and reduce additional signs of aging around their eyes. Featured techniques covered in this training include specialty PDO injection, liquid brow lift, micro Botox for under the eyes, lower eyelid injections, and injections for the lower orbital rim, cheekbone, mid-face, and tear trough. As our faces age, we lose bone mass, create ligament laxity, and migration of fat even around the orbital rim area. Empire's Master Eye Injection Training will give attendees the tools to identify different facial indications around the eyes and the strategies to replace volume, correct lax tissues, collagen reduction, or to create a new look to the eyes, making patients look revitalized and younger from these total eye treatments. The course will benefit all practitioners to safely perform these procedures to patients, satisfying patients' needs and offering enhanced patient care for your aesthetics clientele. Empire Medical Training offers over 45 courses in aesthetics, anti-aging, and regenerative medicine, pain management, and more, designed specifically for physicians, dentists, and nurses. Empire has been a globally recognized leader in aesthetics training since 1998. With over 175,000 satisfied program graduates and a faculty made up of renowned and experienced industry professionals. Call us today or visit EmpireMedicalTraining.com for more information.